back with another tier list. Here with Brian.
I have a knock-knock joke, but you have to start it.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
I don't know.
Gotcha.
Okay. Anyway, we've done tier lists for NHL. Well, this is NHL. Crap. NBA.
NFL, MLB, and NBA. This one we tried to do with the old format, but it didn't work. What was it, Capwing we used?
I don't remember. I think it was Capwing. But yeah. Here's all the teams. We're gonna rank them. So yeah, here we go. First one up. You're gonna have to move them. First one up is the Anaheim Ducks.
This is dumb.
It's an alright logo.
I see it's supposed to look like a D, and it's supposed to be like a webbed feet idea.
I'm not a huge fan of it.
I don't really like it. D tier.
Yeah, good idea. D for Ducks.
They have this little white background. I didn't really want to bother getting rid of it and making it transparent.
That's fine.
So okay.
And the Coyotes.
This is really boring.
It's boring, but it's better.
I don't like the colors either.
It's C tier for me because at least it makes sense.
Yeah. Are there coyotes in Arizona? I thought there was just dead stuff.
There may be dead coyotes.
Oh, good point. Boston.
I'm not a huge fan of this
I
one.
think it's A tier.
You think it's A tier?
A tier. Like, look, it's really good. It's got a nice color scheme. It's got a nice little circular thing.
It works for Boston, I guess. You could put it A tier. I guess I was thinking of a different one, like the older version of that, where it was more 1970s dead look. This one looks alright, I guess.
Buffalo.
The Sabres. I kind of like this one. I'd put this one in A tier.
I would put it a tier lower, but we can have it in A.
You'd have it in B tier?
I would have a B tier. We'll put it in A tier.
Alright, the Flames are definitely a high tier one here.
No, they're not.
Why not?
I think it's middle of the road. Like, it's fine. Like, it's exactly what you'd expect, but it doesn't look very good.
I guess. I'm not a big fan of the Hurricanes logo, Carolina Hurricanes.
I love this one.
I mean, it represents what it's supposed to be, but
We'll put it there.
the Blackhawks, this one might change.
This is my team.
This one might change, seeing recent racial
They have
movements.
an alternate logo, too. I didn't put it on here. I used all the primaries. They have an alternate logo that they can use if they need to.
Which they'll probably end up needing to use soon.
It's like the Canadian C, but it's got like two hammers and a cross. Look it up.
Okay.
They might use that. We'll put it bottom tier for being racist.
Yeah. The Avalanche I like.
It's okay. I think we'll put it with the Hurricanes.
Okay. The Blue Jackets. I'm a big fan of this one as well.
I like it because it incorporates the flag.
Yeah, I do too. A, probably.
Yeah.
Dallas. I'd say A or B for Dallas. It's kind of boring.
It's like D.
Yeah,
It's not good.
I guess you could do that.
Boring, and the green outline just looks really weird. And
Though green is a very unique color in the NHL, which
it's
I do.
unique, but like they don't do the green well, and the star isn't like symmetrical or any of that. And
Yeah, you got a point there. The Red Wings, S. You gotta do S.
you're gonna put it in that freaking bias.
It's a really nice looking logo, and it's one of the most recognizable in maybe all sports.
If we're going recognizable, then the Blackhawks don't deserve to be at the bottom.
Whatever, we're not going off recognizability, we're just going off of niceness. It looks nice. I love it.
It looks
It's
okay, but I don't think it's worthy of S. But anyway, moving on.
Oilers. This is just copied from Houston.
Oh, whatever. That shouldn't factor that in. I think it's a B tier though.
Yeah, I'd put B tier, yeah. The Florida Panthers.
No, ugly.
Yeah, it's not that great.
It's already on it.
I'd say E.
The Kings.
I'm a fan of this one. I say B probably.
I think it's C.
Okay. Minnesota.
wild.
I like
It's
this
like
one.
Mr. Beast's logo.
It is.
No, it's not Mr. Beast's logo. Mr. Beast is facing the other way, and it's blue and different shape. But
So it's based off of it. Or
no,
he based his off
This
of.
logo came first.
So he based it off of this.
I don't think it was intentional. I don't know. I'm just saying it looks like it.
I like how they incorporate like the Minnesota wilderness in the face, though. I do like that.
It's cool. It took me a long time to notice the phase. They're still fine.
It took me a long time to notice the wilderness.
Yeah, I always noticed like the wilderness. I didn't notice the bear. Now, what else I also didn't notice is the H in the middle of the Canadian thing. I thought it was like a support beam for.
That's what I thought it was too. I didn't even up until you just said that, I thought that was an H. I mean, not H, it's a support beam. Support beam.
No, it's not a support beam. It's an H.
I know, but I thought it was a support beam. Yeah, all right. I don't know. This one's pretty classic as well. But we're going now.
Classic, but I also don't think it looks the best.
It looks like
the C looks really weird. Like the top right.
Yeah.
The same the bottom right.
I can see that. Yeah. It doesn't. Yeah.
I think it's low.
Yeah, it's probably C or D.
The Predators.
I like the Predators one.
What is this based off of? It just looks like
A saber-toothed tiger, which is a predator.
Between the wild Mr. Beast's logo and stuff. It doesn't look very good.
Wait, you didn't move it.
What do you mean I didn't move it?
You didn't move the Montreal.
Yeah, no, but the Canadian one should be there.
You didn't move the Canadians logo. Move it.
I did move it.
I don't. It's still stuck here. I'm moving it myself. Oh, that was the Predators one. All right, there we go.
Everything's moved.
I don't know. I'm a fan. I guess I'm all right with Predator. The Devils. I don't like this one.
E tier.
Yeah, E.
F tier never gets used except for like racist stuff or stuff that we just don't like.
The Islanders are up next.
This looks really messy.
I'm biased to it because it's orange, but
well, it's orange, but like the Oilers do fine. It's like a nice little emblem. But this is nonsense. It's just like so much going on.
Yeah, they don't mix well. I'll say that, but I am biased because of the orange.
It looks like the Mets logo, but the Mets actually did something good with the baseball and stuff. It looks good.
All right, Rangers. I'm not a fan of the Rangers one.
I don't like how this badge looks different than the NHL badge and the Kings badge and stuff. It's okay. We'll put it with its brother.
Good call. Ottawa's center. This one's pretty I think this one's pretty racist as well, right? They think this one's pretty good.
It's racist. I think it's like Greek, but I still hate it.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it. Doesn't fit Ottawa. It's the only reason Ottawa's even known, though. So I guess that's...
Well, it's the capital, so that's why it fits. It's the capital of Canada.
Oh, didn't know that.
Why it's called that. It's... why are they called the Ottawa Senators?
No clue.
Yeah. I believe it's supposed to reference the Roman Senators, because there was like a Roman Senate. It wasn't really like our Senate. It was an oligarchy, so there were only a few people on it. And you had to be white and male and stuff like that.
Oh, okay, I get that.
I still don't like the logo anyway.
No, I'm not a fan.
It looks too much like a Spartan, and it doesn't really fit well on like a jersey or whatever.
Nah.
The Flyers, I like this A tier.
Yeah, I'm gonna say A tier. I'm a fan of that.
I might even put it S tier. It's really good.
Yeah, you could put it S. I mean, I wouldn't be too against that.
We'll put it there. All right, the Penguins. I think these guys got to go B tier.
It's all right. It's not bad, but it's not good either.
I don't know why there's like a magic 8-ball triangle in the back of the Penguin. The Penguin looks decent. I'll give it that. Same with the Sharks. I'd put it in that tier as well.
I'd put Sharks A. I think it's just unique. Nobody really does Sharks, not even like soccer or something. And the way they were able to incorporate it.
Baby Shark.
Oh, God, no. That's the Nationals. The St. Louis Blues, the defending Stanley Cup champions. I'm not a fan of these. I'm not a fan of this one.
Doesn't look very good. We can put it any of the middle three.
Probably D.
B or D up in here?
D.
D. All right. The Lightning. I think they go A tier.
This is a nice one. Yeah, I'd say A tier.
The Maple Leafs.
Not a fan.
So like D.
Why is it blue? You're a maple
C.
leaf. So why are you making the leaf blue?
I don't know.
That's why. That's what I'm gonna. The Canucks.
E.
I don't even know what a Canuck is.
It's a slang term for a Canadian, like Yankee would be for American.
Those damn Yankees from the British talking about us. More of us talk like this than talk whatever. I can't do East Coast and Southern at the same time.
Boston. Okay.
Boston. More of us sound like this than more of us sound like this, or something like that. I mixed the two up. Crap. I'm all right with accents, but.
All right, Vegas to S tier. I don't care what you say.
I do like it. I wouldn't put S tier, but I do like it.
All right, the Capitals. I think they go B tier. I really, really like their bird logo.
So why didn't you put the bird one?
It's got the bird on it, but on the bottom of the bird, there's like the outline of the Capitol building.
So why didn't you put the bird?
Oh, because they're using all the primary logos.
Oh.
Otherwise, I would have put the other Blackhawks logo and stuff like that.
All right. Well, the Jets, Winnipeg Jets, not the New York Jets. I'd say A.
I think they go A. Want to go A? All right.
Yeah, I'm a fan of this one.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Well, that was pretty efficient.
That was quick.
3S, 5A, 6B, 6C, 6D, 3E, and 2F. And the F ones are only down there because they're either racist.
Well, Senators aren't racist.
But they're just bad. Bad. What are you doing? You're making a pink outline around everything.
There we go. That's big.
All right, whatever. All right, guys, that's it. Another tier list done. This is more just attempt to add a tier list. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna do maybe we'll do MLS next or something like that.
We could do XFL's dead. I don't know what
XFL's dead.
So we could do the Premier League.
Ugh, no. I don't know. We'll think of something else to do. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.